When you need new replacement windows for your Briarcliff, New York home, consider choosing aluminum ones. They're becoming increasingly popular because aluminum offers numerous benefits over other window materials. For instance, they resist weather well and continue to look good for decades. Aluminum windows can last 35 to 40 years, while competing materials often only last half as long. They also resist UV rays, rot, and insect damage. Aluminum windows require almost zero maintenance beyond occasional cleaning. They do not need to be sealed, stained, painted, or given the regular care needed by wooden windows. Furthermore, their quality is uniformly high. Vinyl window quality, on the other hand, can vary significantly by manufacturer. Aluminum windows are far more sustainable than vinyl windows. They often contain considerable recycled content when you buy them. And once they reach the end of their useful life, 100% of the aluminum can be recycled. This reduces landfill waste and the environmental impact of mining, processing, and transportation that would otherwise be necessary. Since metal is a good heat conductor, choose aluminum windows with a thermal break, or a non-conductive material between the two aluminum pieces. For great aluminum windows, contact Rockman Windows and Doors in Westchester at 914-909-9430.